Lisa Rinna, haircut part 2.
Here we go. I need to take this next section, pull it straight out. This is way too much hair. I need like all of that gone. I want the Lisa Rinna haircut. That's pretty much what I'm going for. I'm just pulling it out to a 90 degree and I'm just taking it off. Too much hair, otherwise it's muffy. Take that off too. Gotta do a little bit more on that bottom. And I definitely need some texture out of here. Like I gotta lighten this baby up so it flips real easy. Go this way. I got my little granddaughter. She's so good. While I'm cutting my hair, I definitely like that better. Now I have to see how it's muffy here. I want it to just literally flip up. I want it to be super easy to just make this spiky. I'm definitely gonna cut this a little bit more. I really want it spiky right here. I'm gonna come in again. I'm gonna do it even a little bit more. I'm gonna come from behind too. Take more of it off. Wait till you see it after it's blow dried. I'm super excited. I just have to do one more piece right here. And I'm gonna come in here and really just make some space. Like this. Sometimes I like to make this come down, making points, make separation. You gotta put separation in hair. If you don't put separation and texture in hair, it just is too stuck together like a helmet. And that's what was happening. So I really needed like this right here needs to come off too. Right? It's not wet though. You gotta have it wet enough for a razor. Otherwise you could do it with a scissor. I can't find my scissors, so that's why I'm doing my razor. All right. And then I'll do the same thing to the other side. Here. I'm gonna just razor this off right here. It's a 90 degree because you want that flip to flip up. A 90 degree just goes straight out. Hi. Okay. All right, I can't wait to show you when it's done. And I will do the other side the same way. All right.
Lisa Rinna,
Check in later.
haircut 3
Bye.
next.